Good morning students. Welcome to our aptitude class. As you know, every Saturday we have our aptitude class. We started chapter number 17 numbers. In that chapter number 17 we completed page number 35 and 36. Today I am going to do 37 and 38. If possible I will complete page number 39. Otherwise we have to do 39 as a homework. Okay, so students, this is about our number calculation. Okay, all of you know that we calculated 100 place, 10s place, ऐसे हमने abacus भी यूज करके किया. अभी हम दूसरे मेथड से भी प्लस माइनस से भी कर दिए थे, डिक्रीजिंग इंक्रीजिंग वो सभी किए थे. नाउ पेज नंबर 37. Build the smallest 4-digit number by using 7, 0, 1 and 3. 4-digit number. 4-digit number means, now here 4-digit number 1000, 100, tens and ones. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000. It is a 4-digit number. They gave us 7. They gave as a 7, 0, 1 and 3. We have to make a smallest number. Small रखेंगे तो small means सबसे small number हमें यहाँ पे लेना है. 0 तो हम नहीं ले सकते because it's not counting. So we are taking 1000 place in 1000 and 100 place in 0 and 10s place 3 and 7. Our answer is 1037 is smallest number of using 7013. 7013 यूज करके हमने smallest number बनाया. Okay, now second one. Smallest number is 1037. 1037 is the smallest number. If we add 3 at even number, we always get an odd number. Is it true? Yes. How? If we add 3 to an even number, odd number, even number. Even means आप जानते हो ना? Odd, even 2, 4, 6, 8. So इन सब के साथ हम 3 ऐड करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलता है? ऑड नंबर. लेट्स चेक. प्लस 3. ओके, फर्स्ट वन इज 2, 4, 6, then 8. Even and odd number is 3. Okay, so of 2 plus 3, 5. Odd number. 4 plus 3, 1 odd number, 9 odd number, 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, are you agree with this number? We get odd number 5791. It's not divided by any numbers. 2 से जो भी वो divide नहीं होते हैं उसको हम odd number कहते हैं. So question number 2 is, our answer is yes. Okay, our answer is S. Then I am the greatest. Question number 3 we have to read now, students. I am the greatest 4-digit number and made up of digits 5, 0. My neighbor is the smallest 4-digit number which is made up of the same digit. Identify my neighbor. Okay, 5-digit number. First one is 4-digit number 5500. 3 times 5 यूज किए थे और वंस होंगे क्या यूज किए थे? 5. So our answer is 5000 and 5050. Number 4. How many thousands are in the 2763? Okay, number 4. 2763. Okay, how many thousands are in this number? 2000. So 2 is our answer. 2 is our answer. Okay, 2000 means 2000s are 2000s are there in 2763. Number 5. Find the number which is equal to 1400, 20 tens and 9 ones. Find the number 1400s, then 24 tens, then 9 ones. 1400, how we will get? 14 into 100, 1400. Okay, 24 into 10, we get 240, and 9 ones we get a 9. So our answer is 1,9,461. Our answer is 1,649. Our answer is 1,649. 1400, 24 tens means 240, 9 ones means 9 only. 9 plus 0, 0, 9, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 equal to 1 only. Our answer is this one, our answer. Now come to the number 6. Find the difference between smallest and the 4-digit number formed by the given digit. Okay, smallest and greatest digit. Okay. First we will make 4-digit number formed by the digit given between the using digit ones in 1. Okay. So first we will get number 5, number 6. First we write greatest numbers. Okay. 9,762 and smallest is 2,679. We have to get difference between this number. Find the difference between the smallest and greatest 4-digit number. इन दोनों में डिफरेंस हमें लेस करना है, तो बड़े नंबर में हमें छोटे नंबर को लेस करना है. डिफरेंस मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके. ओके. सो 12 minus 9, 3, 5 minus 7, 15, 6 minus 6, 0, 9 minus 7, 7. So our answer is 7,883. 7,083. Our answer is 7,083 is difference 1. Now which of the following number is the second largest number of the group? Which is the second largest number of the group? Okay, I am going to erase this part now. Second largest number. Question number 7. Second largest number. Question number 7. Second largest number. 2,595, 7,600, 5,795, 7,825, then 6,123. And first largest number is this one, and second largest number is this one. Our answer is 7,600, second largest number. Okay. So arrange the following numbers in the descending order. You have to write these numbers in descending. Descending means बड़े से छोटे में लिखना, बड़े से छोटे में लिखना. सबसे बड़ा नंबर है 7059, उसके बाद है 6308, उसके बाद है 6190, then after 2531. It is our answer of question number 8. Now question number, find the number which is equal to 3 10 hundreds, 2 hundreds, then 9 ones. सुनो, 3 10 hundreds means 10 hundreds equal to 1000. So here T1000. Next 200s, 2 into 100. Our answer is 200. Then 9 ones. Okay. So 9 ones. So our answer is 3209 is our answer. What is our answer? 3209 is our answer. 3209 is our answer. Number 10. Find the number with the 7 in the ones place, 2 in the hundreds place, 8 in the tens place, and 5 in the thousand place. Now we have to do this one. I am going to erase this all now. Question number 10. So 4 digits, 1000, 100, 10 and ones. Okay. So children, wait for a minute. I am going to take a chopstick. Okay. Now, so what is 7 in ones place? 7 in ones place. 8 in tens place. 8 in tens place. 2 in hundreds place. Then 5 in the thousand place. Now our answer is 5287. Is it clear, students? Find the number with the 7 in ones place, 7 in ones place, 2 in hundreds place, 8 in tens place, and 5 in thousands place. So we get the number 5287. So students, we completed page number 37. So you have to complete page number 37 using rough page in your textbook only. Okay. So students, I hope you will complete page number 37 using rough page. While you are doing this one, you have to read question properly, then use rough page, then answer in your textbook. Now I am going to do page number 37. Which one? Page number 38. Open the page number 38 in your textbook. This one you have to open. Now answer the following questions. Question B. Use the clues given below to identify the number. The digit at thousands place is largest number of the. Now thousand start होता है तो now D question number 1, 1000, 100, tens and ones. Okay. So the digit at thousands place is the largest one digit. Largest one digit number is 9. Thousand place में largest one digit number is 9. Then second clue is the place value of 3 in 3 numbers is 3. Place value 3 is in 3. Place value start from ones. Okay. So 3. Now third clue is the digit 100 place is 5. Okay. 100 place में कौन सा नंबर का क्लू है? 5 नंबर का क्लू है. 5. So then fourth digit is the place value of 4 is in the 40. Place value of 40 means 4 is a place value. So here our answer is 9543. So one digit largest number is 9 and ones place is 3, 4 place is 40 and 5 is in 100 place. Now come to the second one. This is first answer. Build the 4 digit number by using the 4 digit number by using 3, 0, 2, 5. 4 digit means once again 1000, 100, tens and ones. We are using number largest number. Largest number means which one is large here? 5. 5320. Our answer is 5320. Using this number, we make a largest number. Okay. Number 3. The sum of two numbers is 100. The difference is also 100. Write both numbers. So it is a 1000. Our answer is 1000. Fifth one. Find the number which is equal to 10 tens, 4 hundreds and 6 ones. Okay. 10 tens means 100. 400 means 4. Then 6 ones means 6. So our answer is 506. Our answer is 506. Number 5. Our answer is number 5. Question answer is 506. Now come to the arrange the following numbers in the decreasing order. Means बड़े से छोटे होना. Decreasing means बड़े से छोटे होना. 6 1. सबसे बड़ा नंबर पहला आएगा 7032 7032. Then 6308. Then 5630. Then it's our answer, students. Then 3258. Decreasing means बड़े से छोटे में जाना. Increasing means छोटे से बड़े में जाना. Okay? पहला बड़ा नंबर, सेकेंड बड़ा नंबर, थर्ड बड़ा नंबर एंड सबसे छोटा नंबर. Okay, 7. I am the smallest 4-digit number made up of 3085. My neighbor is the 4-digit number made up of same digit. Identify my number. So here students, they gave a number 3085, 4-digit. Using 4-digit. 4-digit means once again 1000, 100, tens and ones. First we will make the smallest number. Okay, smallest number. Smallest number means यहाँ पे 3058. This is smallest. Now make the largest number of this one. Largest means first it will 8,000, then 5, then 3030. This is largest. So our answer is smallest and largest number are using this one. 4-digit number using this one. How many hundreds are there in this place? 8. Number 8. 7036 में how many hundreds are there? No hundreds place value is there. So our answer is this one. Now seventh one. Which one is missing? 6, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 8th one is write the smallest 4-digit odd number that can be found by using repeating the digits without repeating the digits. Okay, once again read the question properly, beta. Everyone read the question properly. Read. Write the smallest 4-digit number. Wait, question I am going to write here. Smallest 4-digit number. 4-digit means 1000, 100, tens and ones. Formed by using 873 without repeating. That odd number, digit odd number that can be formed by using 873. First odd number is 3 here. So we use odd number here and here. Our answer is 3087. 9. Number 9. Write the smallest 4-digit even number that can be formed by using. अभी even number use करना है. Even number 7032. Our answer is 2370. Okay. So children, this is odd and this is even. How you will know the even number? Here you have to divide by 2. That time you will get the odd number and even number. Write the smallest 3-digit number that can be formed by using 3 different digits. 3 different digits. 3-digit means 100, tens, ones. 10. Smallest number 102 different digits. Okay, this is our page number 37 and 38. I hope you will do this page number 39 in homework. Okay, try it. Otherwise, I am going to solve this one also. Okay, try yourself. Okay, stay safe. Bye bye.